Hey you guys, Shawna Martinez here from Performance Team Real in Dallas-Fort Worth. And today I wanted to talk to you about the things that move the needle in your business. So I think as agents, and probably just people in general, we love to overcomplicate things because success can't be simple, right? So I say that because I am very big on giving back to agents, and I will do a blueprint and show you exactly how to get from point A to point B in a very short amount of time. And I'll get messages all the time from agents saying, but what about this or what about that? And it's like, just stick to the basics. So let's talk about what are those basics. So when you're building your business, the things that you need to be focusing on to be able to always keep your pipeline full and always keep your business in an upward projection is three things. It's very simple. So let's simplify this, not overcomplicate it. First one is you have to have conversations. You have to set appointments. So appointment setting, going on appointments, and negotiating contracts are going to be the three things that are going to move the needle in your business. So if you prospect every single day, you put it in your schedule and you do what's in your schedule, and you will always keep your pipeline full. Because eventually, even if people are nurtured and they're further out in their buying or selling journey, at some point that time is going to come where they're going to be ready to transact, and you should be there to help them. You've already built that rapport. You should be following up with them, having some sort of follow-up system, but keeping those relationships, setting those appointments is going to be crucial. And then being able to go on the appointments. So something to think about when you're building your business and you're setting appointments is you have to prepare for the fallout. You don't always go on every appointment you set. So if you need to set 2 appointments a day to continue to keep your business where you want it, then you need to probably set 3 appointments a day, because you'll set 3 and then 1 may fall through and then you'll go on 2. So make sure you always put a little bit of a buffer in there for the appointments that maybe reschedule or maybe they fall out. And the other thing is negotiation. So you need to be negotiating a contract. So every single day in my business for the last 6 years, I focused on either setting a new appointment, going on an appointment, or signing contracts. That is literally what moves the needle in your business. It can't be more complicated than that. It's pretty simple. So if you prospect every single day and you build your pipeline and you set the appointments and you go on the appointments and you sign a contract and you do one of those 3 things or all 3 of those things every single day in your business, watch your business never have a downturn market, even if the market isn't a downturn, if that makes sense. So if you focus on those 3 things, watch your business soar, and then you'll always have a full pipeline and you'll always have business.